Alright guys, still your boy Big Tank from Double South, and this tutorial now we go talk about the CSS Flex box. So I could just go over show now some kind of web like say on our fees and do for inside on our web design project. So quickly now what I go do is I'll come here and I'll just create this div now. This div, I'll give an ID container. Then inside now, I'll just create like mass like theory paragraph. I'll put the paragraph inside div. I don't really know that map. Oh, okay, might just create. I might put all of inside div now. I just in fact, I'll change it to class container. Then I'll say I'll say 1. So I'll give this paragraph at the class of 1. I mind this shortcut what I use now, so now I want them a plugin for inside my IDE requirements. Maybe on a very good day I'll just like show now how to use that plugin. So I'll come in and I'll say lorem 50. That plugin not the same maybe they do this kind of lorem already seen now, so if you say lorem 100, which maybe say it could bring out 100 words now. So if you count this word at the end now, this lorem ipsum catalog the widgets one with the corner here now, so you see and say all of the altogether amount to 100. So I'll go my browser my run and first man say see how you know the bin I go end to end based on say we'll never do anything because I CSS here now. So I'll just quickly duplicate this one now like this. Then I'll turn this one to 2 and I'll turn this one to 3. So my browser and I see and say they just get together now. So to differentiate them now, is I'm going to be say I'll just must see enter container, then find the paragraph now P1. Then we'll just give a background color of red. You see also, so I'll just duplicate all these guys. Then I'll change this one to 2. Change it to 3. Yeah, I'll give this one blue. And I'll give this one green. So I'll go back most ID me now. So you see now, if you actually differentiate both of them now, or the 3 of them rather. So I put all of them this style this container one kind. I'll come in and say make the container make the width and not make the end. See if go in so now. I'll not make enter the ending. I'll say make the width of the container. Make the width be more is 1000 pixel. 1000 pixel. Refresh. Okay. Then I'll make it 200. You see here. Then I'll say we'll leave on like this now. We'll leave on like this. Good like this. So now this flex now, you know that time I say we do display, we'll put display block and those other displaying like that now. So this flex now, I see display now we'll go use. We'll come in and we'll say display. We'll do flex. You see what happen? The minute I say display, I put flex now. You see I say all of them that arrange themselves now. They don't arrange themselves now to 3 columns here now. So column 1, 2, and 3. So you see that when we say the minute we say display flex inside this container now, so it turn this container now to a flex macro flex box now, something like that. Now they turn this container to flex container. So it maybe say this container they flex them in such a way that all the items now web license inside now, like all the children the web license inside this container now, you go feel actually arrange them in such a way that if you move them to anywhere where you want to put them like that now. But we go do more examples. I might just go with this one now to make the thing confusing for now. So it's going to say our sisters are not like the way they all this paragraph. See where they just enter the edge like this now. This here. So for me to do them, in fact, I could do one thing here. I put background color. Make the background color be yellow. Something very visible. You get on show now. Yellow. The same as you know the same amount. I'll come here now. I'll say I put width for these guys. I'll select 3 at once. I'll say width. I want to just show you something quickly. I'll say the width. Make the width be 1,200 divided by 3. Suppose give us how many now? So that be 400. If I say 400 now, definitely it could take the whole distance. So make it like 300 so that something will still remain. You see an answer. You see the happen. 300, 300, 300. Then see the remaining space for that box now. You see the remaining space. So what I want to let now say, if I not specify width, for all these paragraph them now, so automatically now so they will calculate their self. Then they go share their self equal. They'll go put their self here. May they take the full width of the container. So this one are equal. To prove the point, I say, if I come here now, say make I just comment this paragraph out now. So my comment them out now. This way they happen now. So they don't put themselves equal here now. So you see. And one thing we say, the moment you set this thing as flex now, the moment you set them as flex now, automatically now the way the thing they build like say one go day and round go day button like that. So the way they fall, the fall come down now, it no be like that. All of them go they arrange yourself side by side. So if you want me the thing fall come down now, if you come here now, you say flex direction. So the flex direction now, I think now so na row na D abi. So flex direction I say column. So when I say column now, you see I say it does the way it before now. So you see so now self here. So if I demonstrate one other thing for you self here, what I go do now is say I'll go back to the browser. I'll go back to my code now. I'll delete all these things, all this paragraph. I'll make it much more understandable now. I'll say why is MSA by this thing now? I'll create div. Inside this div now, go get h1, the h1. I'll create like 5. Yeah, sorry, I'm not doing well. Div h1 times 6. I'll come out this 2 here. In fact, I write something inside. Alright, so I'll say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll go my browser mouse which I'll get first. Okay, this thing I'm usually show like this now, no interesting stuff. So I'm gonna try style this thing quickly. Cancel this guys there. I'll say box. I'll just create a class of box, then give heights. Must say 200 pixel by 200 pixel. And I'll come down here. I'll get this guy margin. Make it suspend. I'll say margin 20 pixel. I want you to just color to red. Red good. No, I might just say gray. Gray gonna make green. Refresh. Okay. So now I'll just do some kind of small inline styling here. So I select or this I just press my control down, the click, so that I go select bottom right close at once. So I'll say style. Now inline style now. I don't talk this one before. I'll say the style now. And background color red. So this first one will be red, this one will be green. This one gonna be orange. This one gonna be purple. This one gonna be blue. Why this guy could be black? I'll do black. No. I'll say brown. I'll say that is brown. Say brown. Then I'll come here now. I'll say select fuck up. I suppose to do this before I write this style. We're going to select all of them again now. So I'll come here and select again. I'll say class. What do I do with the class? Then I'll share this here. Give a box. So more go now. So I'll come here and browse the mouse that I get here. Okay. See I'm now. I say most of the H1 now. I'll just say H1 quickly now. Font size. Mojo make like 20 pixels. We'll see how many did there. Or most of the big-ish. Not bigger. We'll give it like 50. Too big. Because I won't do one kind of thing. I'm not meditating. I want me visible where me show. Alright, so you see as it be. Where like say after this one, this next one, just like that. All of the break. Now the moment I go to the container now here. Where I'm safe. Okay, the container they get flex now, so I'll come here now. I'll say dot container. Yeah? Wait how they do so. Okay, sorry. I'm not really look. It did column. If I say row, they say all of them arrange yourself now. So, share this here. In fact, I'm gonna put height here. So now we see that other box. I'll put it at like 500 pixels. You see how all of them arrange yourself one after the other now, side by side. So even if I come here again now, self here, I'll duplicate now. I'll put number 7. Then I'll give this guy like which color that corner? RGB. Where is it? I might just say yellow now. Not like yellow like that for sure. I'll put yellow. You see, I say you see squeeze itself enter. Then all of them give themselves equal width now. You see, squeeze itself enter. All of them give themselves equal width now. You see, so what do we do now? What do we do? We do in such a way that if you see the width now, say the width now 200 pixels. If you do in such a way that if the width now, I might make the width like 500, let me see. Even when I make the width 500 safe, the same as not they get any effect. If I come out the flex now, the size is in wide. But when I make the width 500 now, the same as say it not get any effect when the flex day. Because you want to make sure say everybody enter inside this flex box now. All of them enter this container now. So all of them get to squeeze themselves together now they enter. So if you want to like say the width go see the show now. Where I say the width go still otherwise now. Where I say the width go see the active. What you go do say you come here, you say flex wrap. Then you say wrap. When you do like this, when you reach the ending now, it go break under. In fact, more increase and so the other ones go break under. So if I say like 400, you see when you reach here now, 1, 2, 3, it go break. 1, 2, 3, it go break like that. You see now so then I wrap. So if you don't want to make all of them now squeeze yourself for here now, if you say wrap now, when you reach the ending now, say okay, this 4 not go fit contain itself for this place now. Break under, then maybe the next one they continue like that. So you see so this even the very, very nice. Now, if you saw this kind of kind fine gallery type of effect like that now, but not that I want to now. So I'll come out this wrap. Then I'll go show you some kind one interesting stuff now. I want comment before I go to that one. If you do that, if you say row reverse, if you say row reverse now, this number 7 now, it will start from here. You see 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You see this 7 now will start from here. If you say column reverse, we'll do column reverse now. You see it starts from here now. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She see the thing being now. So if you do all those things now, then I'll just can't go the normal row where I did before now. Can't go the normal row. Leave it like this, and might just wrap on. Then gives you like 200 pixels. Alright, so now I don't want to distract on our minds from this thing. What I'm going to be say, I'll go comment out this one now. Leave only the orange. Might just delete them. Leave only the orange. That is when we get orange now. You see, I'm already this one now. So what I want to show now, I want to push this one come up for here now. Can I come this ending here? So it will go do now here. We'll come here. We'll say, I'll comment this guys out. This one by default now they are flow with that now. So we'll come here now. We'll say justify content, and we'll say flex end. You see, it push and come out this place now. It push and come. You know, normally before if we want something like this now, if we say okay, maybe float right, float left, do all these many things now, but we're not doing like that. To say justify content, flex end. If we change the flex end now, we'll say center. You see, I can't call the center. Then if we say flex start, and now be the default, you can come the starting back again. You see, so done for that. I can go center, can show something. I'll push and come the middle here now. You see, I'll push and come the middle. So to push and come the middle now, on that one, if you do again, if you come here, you say align items. You say center. You see, it don't push and come the middle here now. So it's not a very nice way to center something for inside your container. So if you get one kind of container and you get one particular stuff, you want to make sure say you did the direct center. If you do something like this, now, you give a flex. That is, you give the container flex, then you say okay, justify content center, align item center. You see, because now this justify content now they push out from this axis like this now, which is the horizontal part now, they push on like this. Why these other align items now? You know, they push on for the vertical side and for this other side like this now. You see, so if I want to push on come the extreme end here now, what I go to say, I'd already say justify content center now, which is this one like where they push like this now. So I go change on to flex flex end. You see, I say the end now. So to push on down now, what I'll just do, I'll still say flex end here now. I'll just copy. You see, it all come down now. So the show now say, I see push this three come the middle of this box now. What I go do is say, I go turn this box now here to flex item now. So I'll say display, and I'll give them flex. I don't make this small box now already here now, so I don't make it to be flex item. I don't make a flex container now. So if I come here now, I go say, might just copy this one quickly. So that I go push that three come in the middle. Copy this two, or select this two rather. So I'll say center. And you see now, the thing that is at the center now. So then a cool web like say if you see center items. So they get so many interesting things web like say if you use Flexbox do bet. I don't to talk about for this video and I need to end them here now. So what's it gonna say as I do that 2 years ago now, I will show us kind cool stuff now with Flexbox. But this one I also make sure just to make you know say yes, something like this they're on board and they exist and more understand how to use them. But when you come across them, you can know what the person or what the thing they try to do. You get so mostly more just end this one. Yeah, so you may a lawyer guy, big tank from Double South, and you know the be subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see tell that pussy now here they happen. Thank you.